The battle over abortion rights could again be headed for the Supreme Court, with the Department of Justice planning to appeal the Texas ruling that would jeopardize access to the most commonly used abortion pill, setting up a legal showdown less than a year after the court overturned Roe v. Wade.
Ho, ho! Supreme Court has got to go!
President Biden vowed to fight the decision, writing Friday, if it were to stand, there will be virtually no prescription approved by the FDA that would be safe from these kinds of political, ideological attacks. The Texas case now goes to the conservative Fifth Circuit, but in the short term, the drug is still available. It's unclear whether the Washington state ruling, which asks for the medication to be kept on the market, will also be appealed. If both are heard at the circuit level, it's unlikely this will be resolved in the courts anytime soon.
I would not expect there to be much change in the actual law for at least several months, perhaps upwards of a year.
With the Supreme Court, which currently has a conservative majority, watching to see how that plays out.
What is most likely to happen is that there will be a split in the circuits. So the Fifth Circuit will rule one way, the Ninth Circuit will rule a different way, and the Supreme Court will say, now there is a conflict between two circuits, and that means we should probably hear this case and decide the issue on the merits.
As Vice President Harris, who has been the administration's leading voice on abortion access, slammed the Texas decision as a dangerous precedent.
There is no question that the president and I are going to stand with the women of America.
And Monica joins us now from the White House. What else, Monica, could the Biden administration do here?
Well, the Justice Department could file an emergency appeal with the High Court while it also tries to get the Texas order blocked by the Fifth Circuit, a strategic call that likely will become apparent in the next week or so. Jose?
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.